Transform it!
On June 9, 2025, LA County deputy officers were quickly dispatched to the scene of an emergency call. Neighbors reported hearing screams and signs of a disturbance coming from nearby premises.
See.
Hi, my neighbors are yelling. I believe somebody broke into their home. There's a lot of things breaking, and you can hear a lot of loud bangs. They're like yelling pretty loud.
Start with the address, okay?
You just told me someone with a knife that broke in the window. Yeah, nobody has a weapon. I don't know what it is. Look like there's something in the van. Hello? Yeah?
Yes. Hello?
Yeah. There's a person. It's dark. They broke into my friend's house. Look like he has something in his hand.
What does he have in his hand? What does he have in his hand?
It looked like a knife.
On the cops' arrival, neighbors informed them that there was still a woman alive inside the house. That woman needs to be rescued.
LA County Sheriff's Department. He's got scissors? He's got scissors in here. Hey, drop everything in your hand. Drop everything in your hand. He's at the door right now with scissors in his hand. Drop everything in your hand now.
Hey, Earl, he's got a man at the door.
Which door is he at?
He was at this one, but I think he's walking towards the front.
Okay.
The LA County Sheriff's Department, if you're inside the house, then come out with your hands out now. If you're inside Flores Avenue Boulevard, come out with your hands out now.
Right. And it's this window off to the left, correct? Yeah.
Yeah, scissors like that? Oh, scissors, okay. We're ready to go.
Screaming. He's grabbing her. Get in.
Get in, go. In. Go. Transform it! Come on.
Hey, grab her feet. Hey, someone...
The suspect was shot to death, and as a result, justice has been served.